guys, my name's Ariana Burke and I'm a licensed cosmetologist from Chicago, Illinois. Oh yeah, which Chicago is Kim Kardashian's baby's new name. Cray cray. They'll probably call her Shy West, which I think is actually pretty cute. So yeah. Anyway, in today's video, we'll be doing this makeup look here on my face. It's pretty easy, so yeah, keep watching. But first, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the bell icon next to the whatever subscribe button so you are notified. And yeah, let's get into this video. First, I'm putting on the Peter and Rolf 24K eye patches and priming my eyes with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This brush literally blends like a dream. So I'm taking my favorite Tom Ford blending brush and my Anastasia orange soda and putting that in my crease.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys that wanna sex me, they always standing next to me.
Okay, so now we're going in with Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette and putting that in my crease more and just to deepen it. You know the drill.
You don't want no drama. No drama. No drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy.
Now focusing on my outer corner, I'm going to be taking Real Gar and putting that orangey shade on my outer crease just to make it really warm and pretty like a sunset. The obsession is real for Tom Ford brushes because I'm using another one. This eye brush is so good just to get the outer corner and like crease. So I'm going to be taking that and applying Cypress Umber and putting that on my outer corner just for a really smoky, sexy look. So I'm just using this clean, fluffy brush and just gonna blend everything together, make it seamless, you know. So I'm gonna be taking my favorite concealer, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and an Urban Decay flat brush, and just gonna kind of carve out the front of my eyelid for just an extra clean, crisp look. Totally optional, but I just love that this gives you a little bit of like sleekness. Oh my god, yes! This pigment is so beautiful. It is Melon by MAC and it is to die for.
Asking, they say they love my ass and 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love.
This is my favorite eyeshadow I own, and it's from Sisely, which is so crazy expensive, but it's so pigmented and gorgeous and hits the light perfect. It's just the most gorgeous amber shade that my boyfriend got me for Christmas, and I seriously die every time I see it because it's so pretty. Now using the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown, I'm filling in my brows just using the number 12 Anastasia brush, which is a must for this product. With my favorite concealer from earlier, I'm just going to clean up underneath my brows and give it like a super perfect look.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys that
I'm taking this beautiful Tom Ford Quad in Seductive Rose, and I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with this beautiful glistening shadow that shines like a diamond.
start some drama. You don't want no drama.
This stunning, luxurious 24 karat gold primer is from Guerlain, and it's called L'Or, and it makes your skin so radiant and plump and sexy, and I love this primer. I'll be using the Tarte Rainforest of Sea foundation, and this color does not match my face, but it is the color of my body, so it looks really pretty. I'm spray tan, so that's why my face is so pale, but yeah. Blend, 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 blend. Yeah, for blending. Yay for blending. Yeah. Again, with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm highlighting my under eyes, nose, forehead, chin, and under my jaw for a little trick to the eye. This just makes your cheekbones pop a little, like reverse contouring, but with like concealer. I'm contouring with Fenty Beauty Mocha and blending with a dense brush. It has to be dense, preferably synthetic too, so it doesn't stick to the product. I like to apply it straight to the brush for my forehead and like chin and nose, just to get it like perfect, because if you wipe it straight on your face, it is kind of hard to blend, to be honest. Yacht Life is everything by Fenty Beauty. This cream blush is to die for. So stunning, so perf, love. That's hot. Now I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce, I believe, and I'm bronzing my face with this Tom Ford brush. OMG, it's so pretty if you're tan. It has beautiful golden reflex in it, and I love this bronzer. Taking this Becca Liquid Opal sample, and I'm just using this to strobe my face, so wherever I turn, the light hits me perfect. I'm setting my face with my favorite Armani powder in a giant It Cosmetic brush, and this gives you the illusion of skin without that heavy powder residue. Always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'm highlighting my face with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and oh my god, this yellow highlighter is beautiful on deep skin tones or tan skin tones. And I just want like more of a glow and more of like a natural glow everywhere, so I'll be taking the Becca Opal on top of Trophy Wife and on my nose and all that, and just gonna give myself that Victoria's Secret sexy J-Lo glow. Now I'm using NARS Deep Throat blush with my fave Charlotte Tilbury blush brush, and yeah, just gonna pat that on. My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps. So like my favorite lip combo is totally gonna be MAC Strip Down and Tom Ford Spanish Pink. That is so hot. That lip combo is gonna be my 2018 lip combo for sure. Now, putting Mocha by Fenty Beauty under my eye, I'm also going to go off camera and line my waterline with a Sigma brown eyeliner. Also, the lashes I'm wearing are called Bronze Goddess. It's the end of the video. Anyway, I have more videos coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed and make sure you like this video. So yeah, thank you so much to all 115 subscribers, whatever. But yeah, thank you so much. You guys are the best. I appreciate all your views and your support. Everyone who shares my videos, you guys are the best. So yeah, just like this video, and I want you guys to comment below what your favorite makeup product is, or skincare, but what your favorite beauty product is. Like, I want to know if it's from drugstore, like Sephora, the fancy smancy places like Nordstrom and Saks, whatever. I want to know what you guys like. So yeah, comment down below, let me know, and yeah, be subscribed. So I will see you soon. Deuces.